Have you ever woken up feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Your muscles ache, your head feels foggy, and no amount of coffee seems to help. Most people blame stress or getting older. But what if your body is actually missing the minerals it needs to function properly? Electrolytes aren't just for athletes. They're essential for everyone. Low levels can leave you feeling tired, dehydrated, dizzy, or dealing with painful muscle cramps without you even realizing the real cause. The good news? Some of the best natural electrolyte boosters aren't expensive sports drinks. They're simple plants you may already be growing in your garden or have sitting in your kitchen. Today, we're counting down 17 amazing plants that can naturally help restore hydration, support healthy muscles, and boost your energy. And trust me, the first one is something most people throw away without knowing it's one of the most nutrient-packed greens you can eat. Before we get started, tell us in the comments, which plant do you think contains more potassium than a banana? Your answer might surprise you. Now, let's dig into today's gardening secret. Number 1. Beet greens, the leaves you're probably throwing away. Here's a controversial gardening truth. The healthiest part of a beet isn't the root, it's the leaves. Most people harvest the beet and toss the greens into the compost, but those leaves are packed with potassium, magnesium, calcium, and other essential minerals your body needs to stay hydrated and keep your muscles working properly. They also contain natural nitrates that help improve blood flow, making them a great choice before a long day in the garden or any physically demanding activity. If you've been throwing beet greens away, you may have been discarding the most valuable part of the plant. Number 2. Watermelon. More than just a summer treat. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it one of nature's best hydration foods. But that's not what makes it special. Fresh watermelon contains citrulline, a natural compound that supports healthy blood circulation and may help reduce muscle soreness after physical activity. Here's the catch. Fresh watermelon gives you the greatest benefits. Many bottled watermelon drinks lose much of this natural goodness during processing. Sometimes fresh really is best. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds, tiny seeds with big benefits. Don't underestimate these little seeds. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest plant sources of magnesium, a mineral your muscles depend on every single day. Low magnesium levels can contribute to muscle cramps, fatigue, poor sleep, and low energy. A small handful makes a simple snack that delivers far more nutrition than most processed foods ever could. Number 4. Spinach, the green that keeps on giving. Everyone knows spinach is healthy, but most people don't realize just how much it does. It's loaded with potassium, magnesium, and calcium, 3 minerals that help your muscles contract and relax properly. To get even more from spinach, lightly boil it and discard the cooking water. This helps reduce compounds that can block your body from absorbing some of its valuable minerals. Sometimes the way you prepare a vegetable matters just as much as eating it. Number 5. Dates, nature's energy boost. For centuries, travelers crossing hot deserts relied on dates for quick, lasting energy. Why? Because they're packed with potassium, magnesium, natural sugars, and fiber that provide a steady energy release instead of the quick crash that comes from sugary snacks. If you're constantly feeling drained during the day, dates can be a simple addition to a balanced diet. Before we continue, which of these plants surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and if you're enjoying these practical gardening tips, don't forget to subscribe to Gardening Secrets Hub. We share simple gardening secrets that can improve both your garden and your health. Now, let's keep going because the next plant is probably sitting in your kitchen right now, and it's famous for a very good reason. Number 6. Bananas, the classic cramp fighter. There's a reason bananas are the first food people think of after a workout. They're rich in potassium, one of the key electrolytes your muscles need to function properly. When potassium levels drop, muscle cramps and fatigue can become much more common. A ripe banana also provides quick natural energy, making it a great choice after working in the garden or spending hours in the summer heat. Number 7. Sweet potatoes, long-lasting energy. If you're tired of energy that disappears as quickly as it comes, sweet potatoes are worth growing. They're loaded with potassium and healthy carbohydrates that release energy slowly, helping you stay fueled for longer instead of crashing an hour later. No wonder they've been a staple food in many cultures for generations. Number 8. Swiss chard, the forgotten super green. Swiss chard doesn't get the attention it deserves. Besides being rich in potassium and magnesium, it's also one of the few leafy vegetables that naturally contains more sodium than most greens. That's important because sodium is one of the main minerals your body loses through sweat. If you're gardening on a hot day, Swiss chard deserves a place on your plate. Number 9. Oranges, more than vitamin C. Most people eat oranges for vitamin C. But here's what they often miss. Oranges also provide potassium, plenty of water, and natural citrate, a compound that helps your body stay properly hydrated while supporting healthy kidney function. It's another reminder that nature often gives us more than we expect. Number 10. Coconut water, nature's sports drink. Before colorful sports drinks filled supermarket shelves, there was coconut water. It's naturally packed with potassium and hydrates the body remarkably well. Just remember, after heavy sweating, your body also needs sodium. So while coconut water is excellent for rehydration, pairing it with a salty meal can make it even more effective. We're getting close to the end, and the next plants may surprise you even more. One of them can actually help your body absorb more nutrients from the other foods you eat. So don't go anywhere. The best gardening secrets are still coming. Number 11. Avocados, the nutrient booster. Avocados are loaded with potassium and healthy fats, but that's only part of the story. Those healthy fats help your body absorb important vitamins from other vegetables. So, adding avocado to a salad or serving it with sweet potatoes can help you get even more nutrition from your meal. Sometimes it's not just what you eat, it's what you eat together. Number 12. Chia seeds, tiny seeds that hold water. Chia seeds can absorb many times their weight in water, forming a gel that helps your body stay hydrated for longer. They're also rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, making them an excellent addition to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Just remember to soak them before eating. Dry chia seeds can be difficult to swallow and may become a choking hazard. Number 13. Butternut squash, the recovery vegetable. This colorful vegetable is packed with potassium, magnesium, and powerful antioxidants that help your body recover after a long day of physical activity. For even better absorption, enjoy it with a little healthy fat like olive oil or avocado. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Number 14. Celery, the hydration helper. Celery may not be the richest source of electrolytes on this list, but it's made up mostly of water and contains natural sodium and potassium. That makes it a fantastic ingredient for homemade juices, smoothies, or refreshing salads during hot weather. Sometimes the simplest plants are the most useful. Number 15. Tomatoes, the everyday superfood. Tomatoes are full of water, potassium, and antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. Here's another gardening secret. Cooked tomatoes actually provide more available lycopene than raw ones, especially when cooked with a little olive oil. So don't be afraid to enjoy them in soups, sauces, or stews. Number 16. Dill pickles, the surprising cramp fix. This one surprises almost everyone. Many athletes drink a small amount of pickle juice when muscle cramps strike. The sharp, salty taste can trigger a nerve response that may help stop a cramp much faster than people expect. Just remember, pickles are high in sodium, so enjoy them in moderation, especially if you're watching your salt intake. Number 17. Beetroot, the perfect ending. Let's finish where we started. While beet greens may be the hidden hero, the beetroot itself is still an incredible plant to grow. It's packed with natural nitrates that support healthy blood flow and contains valuable minerals that help your body recover after a long, exhausting day. One plant, two amazing foods. That's hard to beat. So, what's the biggest surprise for you today? Were you shocked that beet greens can be even more nutritious than the beet itself? Or did dill pickles completely change the way you think about muscle cramps? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts, and your experience might help another gardener in our community. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to Gardening Secrets Hub, where we share simple, practical, and affordable gardening secrets that help you grow healthier plants and live a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next gardening adventure.